Good morning, students. Continuing with the chapter Simple Equations. Today we are going to see the applications of simple equations to practical situations. So to solve the sums, we can start with exercise 4.4. Open your textbook. Exercise 4.4, which is in page 91. The first question, set up equations and solve them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. The first question, so that is some statements are given. You have to frame the equations and then solve them. That means to find out the unknown which is given in the statements. First one, add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. So what I do is add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. So we can assume, as the number is not given, you can assume the number as x. So first what will you write? It is, let the number be x. Let the number be x. Now, what is given in the question? Add 4 to 8 times a number. So we can write, what is 8 times the number? 8 times the number it is x. So 8 times the number, it is 8x. What we have to do? Add 4. So 4 added to 8x. So adding 4 to 8x, it gives 8x plus 4. Now it is given as 60. So according to the given condition, we can write when 4 added to 8x, that is 60. So we can write, therefore, according to the given condition, we can write 8x plus 4, that's equal to 60, which is the equation. So the final statement you can write, the equation is 8x plus 4 is equal to 60. Now we have to solve this, find out the value of x. So 8x plus 4 is equal to 60. Therefore, first we can transpose 4. 8x is equal to 60 minus 4, that is 8x is equal to 56, isn't it? Then 8x divided by 8 is equal to 56 divided by 8. Therefore, x is equal to 7. X equal to 7. So what you have to write? Therefore, the required number is 7. So that is the answer. So from the given condition, you have to frame the equation, then solve the equation. Now B. 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. So we can write, let the number be x. So I am going to write the statement in one, I am going to write the condition in one statement. Let's see, 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. So what is 1/5 of a number? Number is x. 1/5 means x upon 5, isn't it? 1/5 of a number minus 4. What it is? It is 3. Clear? This is the equation. Now, we can solve this. X upon 5, that's equal to 3 plus 4. What I did? Transposing minus 4 will give you 3 plus 4. Minus 4 taking to that side or right hand side, it becomes plus 4. So x upon 5 is equal to 7. Then x upon 5 into 5, 7 into 5. Therefore, x is equal to 35. Thus, the required number is 35. Is that clear? First question, I had written the equation after giving different steps. But here, in one step, I have written the equation. Now, see. Listen to the question. If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. So first we can assume, let the number be y. According to the given condition, if I take 3/4 of a number, how can you write 3/4 of the number? Number is y, 3/4 of the number means 3y upon 4 or 3 upon 4 y. 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it. Add 3. What answer you will get? Then 21. Okay. Now solve it. This is the equation and solve it. First transposing 3. 3y upon 4 is equal to 21 minus 3. So 3y upon 4 you will get 18. Isn't it? Now what to do? Multiply both the sides by 4. So 3y upon 4 into 4, 18 into 4. We get 3y is equal to 18 into 4, 72. Now how to remove this 3? Divide both the sides by 3. 3y upon 3 is equal to 72 upon 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3 and 3 cancel. Y is equal to 72 divided by 3. Sorry, 3 2s are 6. Then 1, 24. Okay. So we can write thus the required number is 24. That is the answer. Thus, the required number is 24. Now, I am going to solve F. So, listen to the textbook. A, B, C. And, A, B, C I solved. D and E you have to try by own. Then F I am going to solve. G also you have to try. In F you see 11 things of a number. So we can write, let the number be x, and if she adds 19 to it. So with the number what she is doing, when 19 is added to the number, what she gets, x plus 19, and divides the sum by 5. So this sum she is dividing by 5. What answer she gets? She gets 8. So this is the equation. This is the equation. Now we can solve this. First what you have to do? Multiply both the sides by 5. So x plus 19 upon 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 8 into 5. So 5 and 5 gets cancelled. We get x plus 19 is equal to 40. Next what to do? Transposing 19. So x is equal to 40 minus 19, that's equal to 21. So what's the question? You have to find out the number. Thus, the required number is 21. Is that clear? So which questions you have to try? That is, in question 1, you have to solve question D, E and G. Three questions you have to try. Now question 2. Question 2, solve the following. First one, read the question. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score, it is 87. What is the lowest score? So which one you will assume there? The lowest score, that you have to find out. So we can write, let the lowest score in the class be Y. Let the lowest score in the class be Y. So you can use any variable X, Y, M, N, P, Q, whatever it is as you like. So let it be Y. So according to the given condition, the highest mark obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So twice the lowest mark. Lowest mark it is Y. So twice the lowest marks means 2Y plus, you can write different steps if you want. Twice the lowest mark is equal to 2Y. Twice the lowest mark plus 7, that's equal to 2Y plus 7. And 2Y plus 7. What is it? The highest score, it is 87. So before that we can write one more step, that is highest score is equal to 87. So we can write according to the given condition, twice the lowest marks plus 7. Twice the lowest mark 2Y plus 7, that's equal to the highest score. Now you know how to solve it. Transposing 7, 2Y plus 7. So 87 minus 7. 2Y is equal to 80. Then divide both sides by 2. We get 80 divided by 2. 2Y by 2 is equal to 80 divided by 2. Therefore, Y is equal to 40. So what is the question? The lowest score in the class. Thus, the lowest score in the class is equal to 40. That is 40 marks. That's the lowest score. Now B. Question B. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? Remember, the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, that we have already learned. So which angle you will assume the base angles? So we can write, let the base angles be x degree. So we can write, let each of the base angles of the isosceles triangle be x degree. Now, we know that the sum of the angles in a triangle, it is 180 degree. But what is the vertex angle given? Vertex angle is equal to 40 degree. Now, sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can write x plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. X plus x, 2x plus 40 degree, that's equal to 180 degree. Transposing 40, 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree. Then 2x is equal to 140 degree. Now what you have to do? Divide by 2 on both the sides. 2x divided by 2 is equal to 140 degree divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 70 degree. So, the question it is, what are the base angles of the triangle? So, each of the base angles of the triangle, each of the base angles measures how much? 70 degree. So each of the base angles of the isosceles triangle measures 70 degree. Now see. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together their runs fell too short of a double century. How many runs did each one score? So it is given that the score of Sachin is given in terms of the score of Rahul. So which one you will assume? We can assume the runs scored by Rahul. So we can write, let the runs scored by Rahul be x. Okay? Then therefore runs scored by Sachin. What is given? Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So twice. Twice means 2 times 2x. And together their runs fell too short of a double century. What is a century? How many runs? 100 runs. So double century means 200 runs. Too short of a double century means 200 minus 2, that is 198. Is that clear? Century means 100, double century 200. Too short of double century means 200 minus 2, that's equal to 198. So together their runs, that means x scored by Rahul and 2x scored by Sachin, that is too short of a double century, that is 198. I hope it's clear. X plus 2x, 3x is equal to 198. Dividing both sides by 3, we get 198 divided by 3. 3x by 3 is equal to 198 by 3. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. We get x is equal to 198 divided by 3 will give you 66. So what you have to find out here, how many runs did each one score? So thus runs scored by Rahul, that is x, 66. Then runs scored by Sachin, we know that it is double of the runs scored by Rahul, that means 2x, 2 into 66, 132. Is that clear? Now we can move on to question 3. Okay. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. How many marbles does Parmeet have? So listen to the question properly. The marbles with Irfan is given in terms of the marbles with Parmeet. So which one you will assume then? We have to assume the number of marbles with Parmeet. So let me write, let the number of marbles with Parmeet marbles Parmeet be x. I told you can use any variable x, y, m, n, etc. Now, what about the number of marbles with Irfan then? Therefore, number of marbles with Irfan in terms of Parmeet, I am going to write number of marbles with Irfan. 7 marbles more than 5 times with Parmeet. So 5 times the marbles with Parmeet means 7. Sorry, 5 times means 5x. 5x plus what is there? 7 more. So 5 times 5x plus 7. Now, but Irfan has 37 marbles. So it is given that the number of marbles with Irfan, that's equal to 37. So according to the given condition, what will you write? According to the given condition, in the question, this 5x plus 7, that's equal to 37. Clear? Because 37 is the number of marbles with Irfan which is given in the question. Now we can solve this. Transposing 7, 5x is equal to 37 minus 7. 5x is equal to 30. Now divide both sides by 5. 5x upon 5, 30 upon 5. Therefore, x is equal to 6. What's the question? You have to find out number of marbles with Parmeet. So, thus, number of marbles with Parmeet is equal to 6. Is that clear? Now, second one. So 3, listen, in first question I written A, it is not A, first it is given in your book. So it is second one, first already solved. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? So it's clear, you have to assume the age of Lakshmi. So we can write, let the age of Lakshmi be y years. Here I am using y little b. Let the age of Lakshmi be y years. Then what is the age of her father? That is, he is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So 3 times Lakshmi's age means 3 into y. Then plus 4 years older means you have to add 4. That's equal to 49. That's the given condition. So before that we can write, therefore the age of Lakshmi's father, that's equal to 3y plus 4. But according to the given condition, 3y plus 4 is equal to 49, because Lakshmi's father's age, it is given as 49. So we can solve this. First we will transpose 4. 49 minus 4. 3y is equal to 49 minus 4. 3y is equal to 45. Next divide both the sides by 3. 3y divided by 3 is equal to 45 divided by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Therefore, y is equal to 15. Isn't it? Thus, we can write age of Lakshmi 15 years. We can check whether father's age you get 49 or not. 15 into 3. What is 15 into 3 multiplied by 3? 45. 45 plus 4, that is 49. So, our solution, it is correct. Now question 3. It's a lengthy question, listen to that. People of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. So very easy, which one you will suppose? That means the number of non-fruit trees is given in terms of the number of fruit trees. So you have to assume the number of fruit trees. Let the number of fruit trees planted be X. Now, how many non-fruit trees are there in terms of this? Therefore, number of non-fruit trees, that's equal to, how it is given, see, the number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. So 3 times the number of fruit trees means 3x plus how many more? 2. 2 more than, so plus 2. Same way according to the given condition. In the question it is given. How many non-fruit trees are there? That is, it is given as 77. So according to the given condition we can write 3x plus 2 is equal to 77. Now you know how to solve. Transposing 2. 3x is equal to 77 minus 2. 3x is equal to 75. 3x divided by 3. 75 divided by 3. So to remove this 3 we have to divide both the sides by 3. So therefore x is equal to 75 divided by 3, 25. So what's the question? What was the number of fruit trees planted? So hence or thus number of fruit trees planted is equal to 25. This is the answer. I hope it's clear to you. So the last question in exercise 4.4, that is question 4, it's a riddle. So according to the steps given, you start solving it and find the answer in your notebook. So exercise chapter 4 simple equation, it is completed. All the exercise you have to practice in your practice book. Thank you.